we'll guide you through how to import bookmarks in 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 browser. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, head to your computer desktop, move your cursor over it, and double-click the icon to launch the browser. Once 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 browser is fully open, direct your attention to the very top left corner of the screen and click either the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 menu icon or the browser name displayed there. A drop-down menu containing several options will appear, so carefully look through the list until you find the option labeled Import from another browser. Click this option once using the left mouse button, and a settings window will open on your screen to guide you through the import process. Inside the window, choose the specific browser that contains the bookmarks you want to copy, such as Microsoft Edge, from the available list of supported browsers. After selecting the correct browser, click the Next button to continue to the following step. You will then be asked to choose the profile where the imported bookmarks should be placed, so select the appropriate profile if more than one is available. After making your selection, press Import once again to proceed. The next screen will display a list of items that can be imported from the selected browser. Review the available options carefully and make sure the circle beside Favorites or Bookmarks is selected so only your saved bookmarks are included in the import process. Once you have confirmed the correct option is checked, click the Finish button to begin importing your bookmarks into 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 browser. When the process is finished, a notification will appear in the upper right corner of the browser confirming that the import has succeeded. Finally, look toward the left side of the 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 browser window where you will notice a new folder created from the imported browser. Click that folder, then select one of your bookmarked websites to verify that the bookmark opened correctly.